Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to get a Best Buy credit card. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is check our eligibility. So we need to be 18 or older, 21 or older in certain regions, a US resident with a valid social security number, a good to excellent credit score, typically 650 or higher. This gives you the best approval odds, a stable income, and manageable debt significantly will improve your chances. Apply through the bestbuy.com or Citibank's website for the fastest decision, often within minutes. You can also do this in store, so you can visit any Best Buy location and apply with assistance from one of their knowledgeable store associates who can help you through the entire process. You'll need some personal details, including your full name, physical address. It will not accept a PO box. You also need your date of birth, social security number, annual income, and a valid photo. This is an ID photo, okay? Not just a random selfie. Let's make sure that you have everything you need before starting your application to ensure that it's smooth. Here, you will go ahead and select your card type. So for the store-only purchases, the Best Buy Visa card, you can use anywhere that Visa is accepted worldwide. It offers a 5% back in rewards at Best Buy, with their Visa providing extra rewards on gas and grocery purchases. You now need to review your application and then submit. So carefully review the terms, including the APR, confirm that there's no annual fees on selected cards, and understand that they have a reward structure and understand how it works. Double check all the information that you've entered in for accuracy before submitting to avoid any delays or any denials. And then once it's approved, your card will arrive within 7 to 14 business days. You can manage your account easily through the Citibank account online to manage all of your payments. You can track your rewards and you can access exclusive offers. If you are denied, you can actually call Citibank at this number for more clarification to see why you were declined and how you can apply again.